Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, Eric here with another iconic rock riff lesson on electric guitar. This time we'll be covering Are You Gonna Go My Way by Lenny Kravitz. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. Our riff will sound like this. We're starting here at fret 7 on the D string. We're going to hit it, bend it up, and bring it back down the pitch. Then we'll go to fret 5, then to the A string, fret 7, an open E, back to the A string, fret 5, fret 7, then back to the open E. We'll repeat that. And we'll follow that riff by striking an E7 sharp 9 chord. And that chord is formed by holding down the A string, fret 7, the D string, fret 6, the G string, fret 7, and the B string, fret 8. And we're just playing those strings. We're not playing the E strings. So it's and that's how we're going to play the main riff to Are You Gonna Go My Way by Lenny Kravitz on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.